Okay, this is one of my favorite baby products of all time. It saved our life when we switched to formula for our daughter. We use this thing all day, every day. I even would bring it with us in the car and plug it in when we traveled. So the formula goes in here. I just cleaned it really well so you could see all the parts and everything, but you put the formula in this part. This is adjustable, so these are the bottle we uses, and it's on the third to last little notch, but it's really easy to just remove just like that. To clean it, you clean this part every 4 times and it'll notify you on the little screen here that it needs to be cleaned. So you just take this part, it snaps off into 2, and you just click it back in after it's clean and dried. This is the water tank back here. You fill it all the way to the max, and we would fill it once, probably a day if your baby's taking like 30 ounces of formula. And then I will break this thing apart and show you how to assemble it. This lid just comes off like this. You twist and pull it off, and then there's these yellow parts, or orange, sorry, inside that all snap apart. So you're going to put this in here. It fits nicely in the grooves. Then you slide this right on top. It should be snug. Okay. Then after you put that in, you're going to take this piece with the 4 little cross marks and slide it right in like that. Then you're going to take this piece. It has a little lip. You're going to slide it right underneath that piece. And on top it fits in pretty snug. Then you're going to take the piece with this pointy thing on top, and it clicks in just like that. Then you fill the formula up to this max line, and this slides right back into place. It just twists on, and there you go. You fill it with water, and then the buttons on here, so you need to look up online what formula you're using and then make sure you have the correct powder setting. So like all the different formulas will be a different powder setting just depending on the instructions on their individual label. Water only, so if you want to just take water to go, or if you want to just pour water in the bottle and then add, or pour formula in the bottle then just add water, you can do that. You can change the temp, so you can do regular temp, no heating, medium, and then a little warmer. This is telling me that there's no water. It's flashing. I don't have any water in it. And then ounce. So if you want to do a 2-ounce bottle all the way to a 10-ounce bottle, you can change the setting there. This is start, and this is power. So if you're going to want to store this long term, here's a hot little tip. You just put a larger container. Just watch it. It might overflow. If you have water in the tank at all, you're going to hold down the water only button for 5 seconds, and then it'll flush all the water from the tank and inside the machine. So if you're going to put it away, like wait for the next kid, or if you haven't used it in a while, it's good to flush out all the water. So when you hold it for 5 seconds, it should beep, and then it'll make sure all the water is out of it. There we go.